Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you some unreal example as a case studies before and after implementing design tokens. So our first example here for cost saving case study. So this company spent $10,000 per year just design and development iteration to make sure consistency across their products. But after they start to implement the design tokens, they minimize the needs of manual adjustment and lower the cost of product development. This actually reduced the cost 25%. That means they saved $25,000 per year just by implementing the design tokens. The second case study here is for time saving. So there is a company spending 80 hours per sprint. That means 80 hours per 2 weeks just for design and development and debugging the tasks. And after they implement the design tokens, they saved 30% of the time. That means 24 hours per 2 weeks, the team can focus on more strategic tasks. So the company now can reallocate the resources more strategic. And actually this will help the company to build more features. The third case study for us, not before and after implementing design tokens. This by implementing design tokens. So this company, for example, invested $50,000 just to implement the design tokens across their platforms. And within the first year implementing the design tokens, they realized return of investment 300%. This happened because they saved a lot of time and cost and improved the product quality and user experience. That's it for today. See you again.